This jumbo-sized bacon jalapeno biscuit is ultra tender. Its chili pepper, smoky bacon, sharp cheddar cheese crumb, and crisp cheddar crust is a warming side dish and scaled to fit a 4-inch cast iron skillet. This simple drop biscuit method cuts the butter into the dry ingredients and stirs in buttermilk to form a sticky dough that's dropped directly into a buttered skillet. When cooked in a hot oven, the biscuit develops a rustic, craggy cracker texture that catches the parsley butter glaze beautifully, ensuring a moist biscuit. Start by infusing a sprig of chopped parsley with 10 grams of melted butter for the butter glaze. Then mix 60 grams flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder with salt and pepper. Smash 20 grams cold butter into the flour to a coarse crumb. Then mix in 3 grams finely diced jalapeno pepper, 10 grams bacon bits, and 15 grams grated cheddar cheese until well coated. Stir in 50 grams buttermilk just to combine. The dough should be a little sticky. If not, add a drop or two of buttermilk. Drop the sticky dough into a buttered skillet and bake for 15 minutes in a 425 Fahrenheit oven. The biscuit will have risen and started to form a crust. The moment the biscuit comes out of the oven, carefully drape 15 grams cheddar cheese on top and return to the oven for another 10 minutes until the cheese is golden brown. The moment the biscuit comes out of the oven again, pour the butter glaze on top so it can be absorbed to form a cheese cracker crust.